Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from enroll.com. So I have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro right here in front of me. This device actually has an in-display fingerprint scanner right over here. So a lot of people actually message me and ask whether this in-display fingerprint scanner is going to work if I make use of a tempered glass. So I just want to give this one a shot live with you guys. So let's go ahead and put on a tempered glass screen protector and see if the in-display fingerprint scanner on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro works on this. In theory, since the Mate 20 Pro has an optical sensor, it should work. Let's see if it works. The fingerprint scanner on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is placed here. So if I just go ahead and place the finger that I have registered, it will go ahead and unlock the device. So now let's go ahead and slap on this tempered glass screen protector onto the Mate 20 Pro. Let's see how well it's going to do after I actually go ahead and place this tempered glass screen protector. Alright, mind you, the tempered glass that I'm using in this video is not made for the Mate 20 Pro. This is just a random tempered glass screen protector that I had at home. But if you get a tempered glass screen protector for the Mate 20 Pro, the experience will be similar. Of course, the design will perfectly match your Mate 20 Pro. I just wanted to give this one a shot because so many people were actually asking about this. So now let's go ahead and see if it's gonna work. Alright, here we go. The fingerprint scanning button is here and bam, it works. So I have a tempered glass. Let's give that one another shot. It works. So I also have my left thumb on this device, so let's see. It works. Alright, so what if you want to actually add a fingerprint? Let's go into the settings under security. Let's go under fingerprint options and let's go ahead and add a new fingerprint. So I don't think I'll be able to actually add my thumb because it's already there, but let's go ahead and try to add my index finger. So far so good. It seems to be scanning the fingerprint, and alright, I just have to add the edges now. Alright, so far so good. I just have to put all the edges and bam. Alright, so now I have added the index finger as well. So let's go ahead and give that one a shot as well. And bam, it works. So in conclusion, if you have a tempered glass screen protector with your Huawei Mate 20 Pro or any other device that has an in-display fingerprint scanner, the fingerprint scanner will work fine even with the tempered glass. Well guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and definitely go ahead and share this video all over social media with all your friends. You can find me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description, and stay tuned to enroll.com for all the latest from the tech world. Definitely go ahead and drop a like because it keeps me motivated to make more awesome videos like this. And if you have any other video requests regarding the Mate 20 Pro or any other device, definitely go ahead and drop a comment, or you can message me as well. All the links are given down below in the description. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.